What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're gonna go ahead and do a few things to this Prodigy. All right, this is a Springfield Prodigy 4.25 inch, and if you've been keeping up with the channel, you'll know that I recently purchased an SRO, and I decided I was gonna purchase a new gun to put the SRO on, and this is the gun that I ended up getting. All right, so this finally came in, the plate from Springfield for the SRO, and I don't know why these are sold out everywhere. They should have known people were going to want these, but it has taken this long to get this thing. All right, so we're going to go ahead put this on the Prodigy. Alright, so here is the Springfield Prodigy. First thing we're going to do is make sure she is clear. She is clear. She is empty. Alright, so now that we got that taken care of, let's go ahead and open up this. This is the Trijicon SRO. Let's get all the things out, all the goodies out, put that on, and here is the plate, the mounting plate for the SRO. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. Let's open this up. All right, and the mounting plate does have a sight on it, so you can co-witness. All right, and we do have some screws in here. Let's get those screws out. All right, so we have her ready to go. Let's go ahead and boom, we got the screws up out of there. Here is the plate. Let's get this plate on here. All right, when you're ready to put it in, make sure you slide it in and then push it down, because if you just put it down, it is not. Here, let me show you this. If you just put it down on there, it is not going to go down on there flat. You gotta slide the back in there first, then put it down in there. You see, now it is in there the correct way. Hey, this is my first time doing this, so little things that pop up as you're doing things, but just always remember, make sure you do it right. Don't halfway do anything. Don't ever halfway do anything. There you go. She is on there. She is on there. Hold on. Alright. So, here you get the full picture with the 20 round magazine in it and with the SRO on it. And yeah, I think this was a good gun to put this on. I think I'm going to enjoy this. Hold on just a second. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this thing on. All right, and there is the dot on the SRO. And yes, I am liking this, and it is looking damn close off from the get-go. Looking damn close. All right. So tell me what you think. You know what I mean? Did I choose the right weapon to put this on? Did I choose the right weapon to put this on? All right. So Prodigy with the SRO. And we have the Canic with the Hollow Sun. All right. So which one do you guys feel has the better sight picture? Which one would you go with? You know, the Prodigy, SRO, Canic, Hollow Sun. And I don't know if you guys saw the video yet, but we have the Echelon right here with the HHC A18 mailbox style closed emitter. All right, this is a Gowatar. So definitely check out the video with the Gowatar. And this is the Prodigy with the Gowatar on it. So definitely check them out. Definitely check them out. Here is the Prodigy again. And man, that dot looks damn good. I swear that dot looks absolutely great on here. I like it. I like it. I like it. And it's a way to turn a $1,300 gun to an $1,800 gun. Yeah, the quickest way to turn a $1,300 gun to an $1,800 gun. All right, hold on just a moment. All right, so here we go. We have the Springfield Prodigy 4.25 inch with the Trijicon SRO on it. And believe it or not, I am not going to stop here. I am about to send this weapon down to Miami to Modern Pistoleros. Modern Pistoleros. Y'all go check out their Instagram. Go check out their YouTube. And they're about to put the whammy on this. All right. So this is probably one of the last times you're going to see it looking like this. All right. And I had to wait until I got all this done, and actually probably going to get me a better safety, get me a better trigger, go ahead and get the mag well on it and all that. Then I'm going to send it on down to Modern Pistoleros. All right. You know, but hit me in the comments. Tell me, should I put the whammy on it, or should I leave it alone? Should I just do it like this? You know what I'm saying? Is this where you would stop at? You know, is this just good enough? Or should I continue customizing the Prodigy? Hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. You know what I'm saying? But as for now, I am liking this sight on here. This sight looks very good. I mean, it is right up there with the, hold on. See, now, the Hollow Sun, I would say the Hollow Sun is probably brighter, you know, because I have them both at max brightness, and the Hollow Sun looks good too. I swear, I love this Hollow Sun, you know, so we're going to have to get them both to the range and decide, you know, which sight is better. Y'all hit me in the comments. If y'all had to choose between the both of these, which one would y'all choose? Which ones would y'all choose? All right. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? And can't forget about the Echelon. Can't forget about the Echelon with the mailbox on it. All right. And yeah, she She is empty. She is empty. All right. So tell me if you like that look on the echelon as well. Go back, check out the video with me putting this on the echelon. All right. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.